We enjoy getting out and, getting fresh air, exercise. I mean, from playing disc golf to going hiking in the mountains, all different types of things. We always enjoy time out away. I know I've been doing this with them since they were very young, and it's already become an expectation in their lives. When we do have time together, these are the kind of things that they want.
Hallway Shannon Andrews and Gunny Key. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujaywi, Ta, Torigun.
Our traditional food for November is cranberries. Today we are making 2 cranberry recipes. Let's start with cranberry blue corn pudding. For this recipe you will need 3 cups of water, 1 cup of blue cornmeal, 3/4 cup cranberry sauce, 1/3 cup peanut butter, creamy, 1/3 cup peanuts, unsalted, dry roasted, and chopped. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. While you wait for the water to boil, mix 1 cup of water and blue cornmeal together. This recipe uses cranberry sauce. Cranberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Studies have linked cranberries to helping with bladder health, and they may protect against heart disease and certain types of cancer. Slowly add the cornmeal mixture to the mixing bowl and stir to combine. Reduce heat and simmer for 6 to 8 minutes, or until pudding thickens, stirring every few minutes. Remove from heat and let stand for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add cranberry sauce and peanut butter. Stir to combine. Any fruit could be added instead of cranberry sauce. Try applesauce, chopped canned peaches, or frozen berries. When in season, try fresh cranberries, cherries, or strawberries. This recipe makes 9 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Sprinkle chopped peanuts on top, serve warm. Now let's make cranberry turkey quesadillas. For this recipe you will need 4 8-inch whole grain tortillas, half a cup cranberry sauce, half a cup mozzarella cheese, part skim, shredded, 1 cup of spinach leaves, 8 ounces turkey deli meat, low sodium. First, cut the turkey into smaller pieces. This step is optional. Other thinly sliced deli meat could be used instead of turkey. Try ham or chicken. Next, spread 2 tablespoons of cranberry sauce on one side of the tortilla. Then layer 1 tablespoon of cheese, 1/4 cup of spinach, 2 ounces of turkey, and top with 1 tablespoon of cheese. The Otoe word for cranberries is Otoe-Missouria. Native Americans introduced cranberries to the colonists when they arrived in North America. The Lenape Indians of New Jersey called cranberries pa-kim, meaning bitter berry. Cranberries were used in many dishes, just like we do today. Native Americans also used cranberries for dyeing rugs and blankets, and as medicine for treating wounds and preventing illness. Cranberries were also used as a symbol of peace and friendship. Today we can be thankful for our ancestors' work and care for cranberries. Cook over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until tortilla is golden brown, cheese is melted, and turkey is heated through. Place quesadilla on cutting board. Cut in half or thirds. Serve warm. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 quesadilla. Enjoy!